Don't you think Ave Maria is the perfect piece to calm down? I really feel that it feels so peaceful and it's so easy to get in a more relaxed state when playing this. Hi, I'm Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today I'm sharing a beginner-friendly arrangement of Ave Maria from Gounod. I have arranged this version of Ave Maria with easy bowings and fingerings for beginners, plus I've added a play-along as well, a piano-only version and a violin and piano version. To help you with the right finger placement and intonation, I've also added a free scale that you can download below in the same key as this specific song. If you practice the scale before you start practicing the song, it will be so much easier to play in tune because you already know where to put your fingers. So really don't skip this step and first practice the scale so that you will play everything more in tune. If you want to learn the full piece and the advanced version of Ave Maria, you can also find that one on my channel. Just search for Ave Maria Violin Inspiration and you will find it. Okay, without further ado, let's get started with the play-alongs. Good luck practicing! Great job practicing today. If you want to learn other beautiful classical music on the violin that gives you that same calm feeling of Ave Maria, I can also really recommend Adagio from Albinoni. I will link it below this video, so that could be a great song to practice next. Also next week there will be a beautiful song that I will be uploading, so make sure to subscribe to not miss that song and like this video if you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions left or want me to cover anything on this channel, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. It means so much to receive your comments and so much more than just a like, because it makes me feel more connected to all of you, to read through what you are going through and your questions and your thoughts about violin playing. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.